What's up, everyone? Shaun Murray here with my man Jacob from the boat shop, and I want to let you guys know that these guys have a location you guys can come and check out. It's if you're in the Teton area, great shop to come check out some of the hyperlight gear, a bunch of other stuff, right?
Yep. Water sports stuff. Got all Shaun's pro model, his pro junior for the kids, and lots of ropes and boards, so come check it out.
If you guys can't make it into the shop, you can go check them out at TetonWake.com. Either way, I hope to see you there. Enjoy your ride.
Peace.